So when I was an atheist, it doesn't matter what argument you brought. It doesn't matter how much you tried to prove to me that the word of God is accurate, because there was no God. Therefore, it must be a myth. It must be a fairy tale. So no argument on a scientific basis would ever have convinced me in my atheistic state that the scriptures were true. Only when I put on a spiritual set of glasses and realized that the Bible was more than just a historic uh, record of what had happened, was I prepared to allow a divine foot in the door and ask the question, is the interpretation that I have applied to my science necessarily the only interpretation? And when I came to the conclusion, no, it wasn't. There was ample evidence